Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve browser on Picsart. Do you know how to fix or how to solve browser on Picsart app? You should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of Picsart and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.